hope you're well. Welcome to Empties. I've got a whole pile of empties for you. I'm so excited. I can't wait to show you. So I'm going to start off with skincare and body care. And the first thing I finished up is the LMS Gentle Foaming Cleanser. You know I got this at Christmas time and it's lasted such a long time. This face wash is absolutely gorgeous. This is one of my favorite face washes to use in the shower after the gym. It just takes makeup off like no other. I mean, I can't even begin to tell you. It's fantastic if you've got dry skin, if you're on TRETINOIN or retinol, things like that, and you've got really peeling skin. It's just a really soft, gentle, or if you're on like major acne stuff and you just want something gentle in the morning to use, this is perfection. You squeeze it out, it's like a creamy formula, and you put it all over dry skin and then you rinse it off or flannel it off, and it is divine. And I've got super oily, blemish prone skin, but sometimes I just want something that's really gentle and not going to aggravate my skin, and this is it. Especially if you do wash your face a lot and you want something just that's not going to aggravate it, then oh my god, I love this and I need to buy another one. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm just going to throw it down there for now. And then I've got, you know I'm an LMS maniac, the LMS Pro Cleansing Collagen Balm. This is the double tub, 200 gram tub. I spoke about this before. I've got like a tiny scoop left. I absolutely adore this cleanser. This is what I use every night to take off my makeup. It's a purifying balm and it leaves skin squeaky clean but comfortable. It totally cleans out pores. Now, a lot of people have said that they can't use this, it recommends not to use around the eyes, but I use it around my eyes. It says smooth over face and neck, gently massage into the skin, dampen and continue to massage, remove with warm water and damp cleansing cloth. I use this around my eyes. I don't have any problem with stinging or anything. It takes off my mascara, my eye makeup, my liquid liner, everything. It is my favorite thing, and it leaves skin so clean. Oh, beautiful. Then I've got another LMS Rehydrating Ginseng Toner. How many of these have I gone through? Tons. Again, I love this. It's a nice, like spritzing mist. So after I've cleansed with the Pro Collagen, I spritz this cleanser on, or I put it onto cotton pads and wipe if I feel like I want to make sure everything is removed, but that removes everything anyway, so I wouldn't even worry. This is just gorgeous. It's, again, if you've got dry skin, you want it rehydrated, amazing for oily skin. You cannot go wrong with LMS, can I just tell you? You cannot go wrong with it. Next up, I've got a Earle Instant Boost Skin Tonic. Now, Earle used to be my LMS. Like, I was die-hard Earle cleanse and polish, but for some reason, the cleanse and polish just wasn't doing it for me anymore. But I still love this toner. This is a aloe vera, calendula, cucumber, rose scented geranium and natural source of vitamin C. This is beautiful. If you've got really sensitive skin and everything stings it, or you're using, again, retin-A or something like that, this is so beautiful. It's calming, it's cooling, it just smooths skin out, softens skin. It's just such a beautiful one to use when you don't want to use anything harsh. So, change it up depending on what your skin needs. Sometimes I use this after the Pro Collagen if I feel like I want something more refreshing. It's lovely during the summer. Put it in the fridge, you get a really nice cooling sensation. Gorgeous. I've used that for years. It's lasted me years as well, actually. Then I've got, I mentioned this in my video the other day, actually. It's the Neutrogena Hydra Boost Gel Cream. I just bought the body lotion. I think when I bought this, I bought the wrong one. This says Hydra Boost Water Gel, and I think the one I wanted to get was the one for dry skin that said hyaluronic acid, because that's the one you want to get. This is really not going to do much for you. It's more like a serum type product. It was a great one for, like, on a Sunday when you're like in your pajamas all day and you're not going anywhere and you don't want to waste your good moisturizer. That's that. But I think it's the one with the hyaluronic acid is the one that's going to work better. All in all, very simple moisturizer. If you're a teenager, it's going to be brilliant for you because it's so lightweight. If you're got blemishy prone skin or oily skin, you're going to love this. Perfect. Then I've got a Zoe Skin Health by Xena bhaji Eclipse Smart Tone. Oh my gosh, how many of these have I gone through? Oh, the thing is with this though, it only lasts 6 months. So, you know, that really is a bit like, that's not long, is it? Normally things last about 12. Anyway, this is the Smart Tone SPF 50. It comes out white and then it adapts to your skin tone. I use this every day under my makeup. It's an amazing primer. I've been recommended to use something else, a different OBAGI one, but I don't know. I don't think I want to stop. This for me works beautifully. It really does. And the tint just helps to even out skin tone. It's not greasy. It's not, it doesn't break you out. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. Love this. And I'm going to have to cut it open and see if I can get the last bits out. But this is probably, I don't know if this is the 2nd or 3rd bottle, but I love this stuff. And if I don't wear it under my makeup, I notice it. I really notice it. It really holds my makeup on really well. So yeah. Then I've got another body lotion. This is the Vitamin E. I think I showed this 2 months ago. Again, I've got a few scoopies left. The reason why I haven't repurchased this is because it's very moisturizing and it's a great winter lotion. This is the Rich in Natural Vitamin C, 24-hour dry to very dry skin. So if you have got very dry skin, this is great, but now that it's coming to summer, it's a bit too thick for me. And that's why I've gone for the Hydra Boost, which is just a lot lighter, but it's a very good moisturizer from Superdrug. It's a Superdrug range, and it's very cheap. It's under £5 and you're getting a massive tub full. So really, really good if you're on a budget. Then I've got a conditioner. This is the Kerastase, what is it called? Resistance. It goes with the Bain de Force ones. I've had this for ages and I've literally just been finishing it off. I do love this. It's for damaged lengths and ends, strengthening anti-breakage. I do think this resistant range from Kerastase is very, very good. I used to use the shampoo and the blow dry cream all the time. It is a really good range, but it's quite expensive. So, you know, there are other things that you can use that aren't as expensive. Keeping in with the hair, I've got the L'Oreal Elvive Clay Dry Shampoo. You know, I love the shampoo and conditioner of this, which I'm still using. This is the dry shampoo for oily roots. Yeah, it's okay. I don't think I'm going to repurchase this. I don't think it's okay. And it makes hair smell really clean, but it's not something that I definitely would repurchase again. I want to try some different ones. What's the ones that everyone always uses? Gosh, I can't remember things these days. Oh my god, what is it called? It's got all these weird smells. Oh god, I don't know. Anyway, I want to try something different. So any recommendations below of dry shampoos would be great. Ones that don't spray out chalk. I can't stand that. And then you get this really chalky, itchy hair. Oh my god, yeah. So yeah, love that. And the last 2 things are household products. Again, Unstoppables. Oh my god, this is like, I've showed you this before. This is the Dreams Unstoppables. I love these, and I'm telling you what, I can't live without them. It makes your laundry smell so gorgeous. And I've said this before, I love this on my pajamas and my bed sheets and my robe. The smell stays on your clothes. I love it so much. So yes, I mean, continuous repurchase. And you know what? I've branched out and smelled the other ones. I'm like, no, nothing comes close to this. I want this in a bloody bed linen spray. It's so good. And I want it in a plug-in. It's so good. I love, love, love the smell. And then the last thing I've got is Airwick Pure. And this is a room spray. And it is soft cotton. Oh my God. This reminds me of our hotel in Spain when we went in the summertime 2 years ago. Where were we? Marbella. Whenever we spray this, I'm like, oh my God, it smells like Spain. I swear this is the smell of a hotel, like the cleaning that they use now. I don't know, but it just brings me back to Marbella in the summer every time. It's that gorgeous sort of clean, fresh linen smell. Yeah, that's what it is. It says soft cotton, but it's that fresh linen smell. I love that smell of clean towels, clean laundry. It's that kind of smell, but it's almost got like a bit of, I can't, sunshine. It's weird to describe. It is so nice. In fact, I think I've got a spray left. Oh my God. It's like outdoors. It's like, you know when you put your laundry outdoors to dry, that kind of smell, and it gets the smell of everything, like the smell of the sun, of the trees, of the grass, of the, oh my God, it's gorgeous. So definitely be repurchasing this. And I love it because it's a dry spray, so it doesn't kind of wet your sofa and carpets and stuff like that. So good. So yes, those were my empties. I haven't done empties in a while, have I? I've had to collect them all up. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed that. And let me know what your favourite empty is of the month. I hope you're well, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.